This is Irwin for swirlingovercoffee.com, and this is a unboxing and quick look at the Kata V6. It's a budget phone for only 3,399 pesos, and you already see what color it is. The RAM and the default storage, 1 gig RAM and 8 gig default storage. That's the internal storage, but it's expandable. Now, this is a budget phone, so for 3,399, you probably already know what you're getting. It's a budget phone, so you're not looking for super crisp cameras on the rear, on the front, super high resolution screen with crisp display, gaming performance. No, this is a budget phone, so there's the Kata logo. The good thing about this is that it's one of the more affordable phones with a rear fingerprint sensor, something that should be default, something that should be basic and built in. But so here it is. It's a good thing. The specs are right here. 8 megapixel rear with flash, 5 megapixel front, no LED flash on the front. Processor is a 1.3 gigahertz quad core. It's an MediaTek 6580. RAM is 1 gig. The screen, I'm not so sure what's written here. I think this is a 5-inch IPS FWVGA 480 by 854 ppi. So low res. So the battery is 2,400 mAh. With a low res screen, it should last you an entire day of usage. And besides, you can't install large memory hogging, resource hogging apps here. So it's a basic phone. It's either it's your secondary phone, your backup phone, or if it's your main phone because you're on a budget, you should be able to rely on this. So yeah, let's check out what else is inside the box. Nothing there, nothing there. What's this? Okay. So we got, okay, the battery is removable. See it right there. 2,400 mAh. Branding. Micro USB charging cable. And there's nothing else. Okay. So for that price, they had to cut some corners. There's no charger. There's no earphones out of the box. Not even a SIM tool ejector. This is the user manual in Chinese. So we can see that there's a dedicated micro SD card and dual micro SD slot. So dedicated 3 slots here. No hybrid thing. Let's check the English version of this. There you go. Micro SIM, micro SD card. Yeah. So let's open the back of this, of the Kata V6. Let's remove this first. Yeah. And the rear. It's hard plastic, this phone. So there it is without the plastic cover. A bit hollow because the battery is not there yet. But the build quality is pretty good. The rear has some curvature to it. Fits in your hand because it's only 5 inches. So yeah. Let's remove the rear cover. Ow. Should be easy. There we go. And there. Micro SIM, micro SD card. Yeah, goes right there. Snap that back. Check all sides. Yeah, it has a good build. So let's boot this for the first time. Assuming the battery is charged. Yeah, it's charged. So yeah, let's wait for it to boot. While it's booting, let's go over again what you're getting when you buy this. They had to cut corners, as I've said before. There's no earphones in the box, no charger, but any charger you have will work. And for $3,399, this is very affordable. But the design is slightly old, but that's a trade-off for something. We're getting something that has a relatively good build. There it is. It's already booted. Yeah, first boot. Let's crank up the screen. Okay. Turn that off. And there's the display. So, it's not bad. Okay, let's see. But then we haven't updated anything yet, so yeah. Camera. Let's see this. Okay. That's fast enough. Yeah, not the crispiest out there, but then again, it's a budget phone. Let's check out. Small screens sometimes give people a hard time when typing, but this is okay. Can type pretty well, as you can see. So yeah, let's put that back there. Yeah. What we're going to do is turn on Wi-Fi so that, okay. Not gonna show you our password. Wait. So yeah, we're connected. We'll see some updates now. And this comes in black or white. We got the white version. I'm not sure if you can get a case for this. We're connected, so let's see what a web page looks like on a Monica Albert. No thanks. It's not private. Okay. Fine, it's not private. I'm on, not online. So let's get online. It's our website. And it's loading. So it's pretty fast. It's okay. Let's see if it's readable. The display is pretty good, actually. And it's loading right there. Okay, it's loading. It's not bad. Not bad. Let's see if the speakers are loud, because for sure you're going to watch some videos on this. What? Here we go. Gyro, okay. Sorry about the glare. The audio is actually loud. Speaker is loud. Not bad. Okay, that's enough. Otherwise I'll watch this till the end. Stop it. Okay. Nice. Okay, so let's recap. So this is 3,339 pesos. Despite the slightly dated design, it's actually pretty good. I'm surprised. We're going to check, before we recap, we're going to check the fingerprint sensor. Security, fingerprint, continue, setup screen. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Show notification. Show everything. Okay, locate the fingerprint sensor on the back of your phone. We're going to enroll. See how fast it goes. I'm not sure what's happening. I just keep touching it. It's getting a bit warm. Okay, next. Sorry. I thought it already started. Okay, I'm gonna do that now. Okay, touch. So this is what I'm doing on the rear. You get a little haptic feedback every time it saves a portion of your index fingerprint. And there we go. Done. So we're going to lock it. See how fast it can unlock. Ready? No. Okay. Additional security. Okay. So it's again. Okay. Not bad. So this has been Erwin for scrolllingovercoffee.com, and this has been a quick look at the Kata V6. It sells for $3,339. It's a very nice budget phone, as you have seen. Very loud audio. Nice all around. Thanks for watching.